Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. SMF will provide you with trading capital. Everyone qualifies regardless of experience. Once again, we are going to bring up the daily chart on Apple. And just like many years, SMF has developed long-term trends, short-term trends, medium time period of trends, and basically I'm going to just simply show you a daily or a weekly chart. I'm sorry, it's a weekly chart with a double week reversal. Now, I will tell you at this price level that the 10-week moving average, and I had traders write this down yesterday, and I'm going to tell you to write it down again. It's 253.94 is the 10-week moving average. If Apple cannot clear and close above the declining 10-week, which for many weeks and months has not been below the 10-week. Granted that the rising 20-week has given it short-term price stability, but let me just be cautionary as to what looking at the other side of that trend is, that if Apple cannot get me a closing price above half of this weekly bar, that's the second big down week bar. There's the first week reversal, second week. That's my resistance level. And I know damn well, excuse my French, I know darn well that if I cannot close above 257.55, then if I move into 257.55, which is about, here, I'll give you the bid and ask print right now. It's 72 by 73, 253. So I'm telling people that any move, any run that could occur over the next couple of days is that we're up $5 on the name, but we were yesterday and they slid that bid. Now, one of the things is the SMF proprietary platform will guide these SMF MMTs into what they should or should not be doing as far as what side of the market engagement that they should be in. So basically, any move into right there, 256.75 to 257, anything into there, and I don't clear above it, I will axe that $260 put with every ounce I got. And every ounce of buying power that I have will go right into there, because that's going to be the resistance level. And if I don't get a closing weekly bar above that, then I'm going to stay planted and get on the other side of the trade, just like I did last week, and just like I showed people last week, is that the same rules apply. So the 10-week moving average is moving up slightly. It's 253.97, and anything in the resistance at 256.90, which is about $3 higher, is that if I don't close above it, I'm shorting it, because that means that until I do get that up move, I'm not bullish on Apple until I get above the SMF weekly bar. Half of that weekly down bar must hold, and they got to print through it. The shorts, until that happens, shorts will continue to move in. And they displayed those behaviors all last week and yesterday, and today is a different day. And I just want to be clear that this is the weekly chart on Apple. And hey, it's a nice chart. The thing that ain't nice about it is the 10-week is turned over and is descending in value. And until I get a close above that, I got nothing to be bullish about, other than looking at how I'm going to buy put options and sell short the equity intraday when it fills at those key levels. And let it be known at stockmarketfunding.com.